In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change bank details in Zoho Invoice. If you're managing your invoicing through Zoho and need to update your bank information to ensure payments are processed correctly, you'll find this guide incredibly helpful. We'll walk through each step together to ensure you can accomplish this task with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to Zoho accounts. Begin by launching your preferred web browser and typing in the Zoho accounts URL. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials if you aren't already. This access will provide you with a secure passage into all your Zoho services. After logging in, proceed by clicking on Apps. This section is your gateway to the variety of Zoho applications on offer. Locating the right application is key to managing your invoicing effectively. Now, find and click on Invoice. The Invoice section is where most of your billing and payment setup occurs. It's vital to select this to ensure you can update the necessary payment details tied to your invoices. Once inside the invoice application, you'll need to click on Settings. Settings are found typically on the sidebar, and this is where you can modify all sorts of invoice configurations, including templates and payment information. Next, you'll be selecting PDF templates. These templates are essential in customizing the look and feel of your invoices, including crucial billing information. By accessing the PDF templates, you can be sure that any printing or digital versions of your invoices reflect up-to-date details. Once you've reached the template stage, you'll spot an option to edit. Click on it to open up your invoice template for modifications. This will allow you to alter the necessary sections to ensure your bank details are current. Inside the template editor, you'll need to locate other details. Clicking on this reveals additional invoice elements that might not be immediately obvious, such as custom fields and financial details, where your bank information typically resides. Following this, you'll see an option to add your bank details. Here, you can input your updated bank account information. Be accurate and double-check for precision. Any errors could result in payment issues. Finally, once you've entered your new bank details, make sure to click on Preview. This step is crucial as it allows you to review how your invoices will appear with the new information included. Ensuring everything looks correct before finalizing changes can save you from future headaches. And that's it! You've successfully changed your bank details within Zoho Invoice. Make sure to test the updates with a sample invoice to confirm that everything displays as expected. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.